This video demonstrates how to use screen masking in Read&Write for Google Chrome. To use screen masking in Google Docs, open the Read&Write toolbar and click the screen masking icon. Your screen will be tinted with a reading light that follows your mouse. You'll see a floating control box on your screen for easy access to customize the color, opacity, and other options. Click the gear to open the screen masking options. Here you can adjust the background tint and the reading light. You can reposition the control box on your screen as needed. To turn screen masking off, click the center button or click the icon on the toolbar. To use screen masking on the web, open the Read&Write toolbar and click the screen masking option here. Screen masking is a useful tool for students who need help focusing on areas of a document or a web page. For more information on Read&Write for Google Chrome, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit texthelp.com.